Hello, hello. Solution of question number 38. Question number 37 is the question of geometric mean based on ungrouped data or discrete series. Similarly, that you have to solve the now. Question is based on which one? Geometric mean to now harmonic mean based on the same method, that is ungrouped data. First you write the x as it is, that is given in the problem. 5, 8, 9, 10, 15, 8, right? Next frequency is like this: 2, 9, 3, 4, 2, last one. So these two are the information given in the problem. Now what you need to do now? First we need to check that the formula. What is the formula for this method? This method means harmonic mean discrete series method. If you see here, this was the formula for that. Use this formula and compute the harmonic mean. The formula for this one is what actually? This was the formula for that, right? So n divided by what actually? Summation of f1 by x, f1 by x. So first you have to do is 1 divided by x. What you have to find first? 1 divided by x. These are the computed values, right? So these numbers we need to find now. So how to find 1 by x? Like this: 1 divided by x value is what here? 5. So 1 divided by 5 is this one. Same, equal to 8. Sorry, not 8. 1 divided by 8. 8 is x. Similar, you have to find that how? 9 divided by, see, 1 divided by 9. Next number is 10 divided by 1 divided by 10, 1 divided by 10. Then 1 divided by 15, 1 divided by 8. Then how it is computed? 1 divided by all x number, you will get these numbers. So these are the numbers that you need to find in the values, right? So I will take you only 4 places. Now no need of total of this one. What we need to now do now? F, that is f into 1 divided by x. You multiply 1 into f by x. See, f is here, 1 into x is here, 1 by x is here. So multiply 2 into this one, like this. 2 into this one. So f into 1 by x, you will get this one. Same type, you multiply all the numbers, you will get 9 into this one, 3 into this number, you will get this number, 4 into example 0.1, 0.4, 2 into this number, you will get this one, 1 into this one means this one. So you use this one, you will get the values. So this was all about f into 1 by x. I have taken just 4 places. We need the total of this one. The total is how much now? Total is 2.15 or 2.516467. Now use the formula now, harmonic mean. So harmonic mean equal to the formula is what? The same formula. Same formula means n is how much here? The total. We need to find the total of this frequency total. What is frequency total? Frequency total is 21, right? So equal to harmonic mean equal to what? The formula n into, so n divided by summation of f by x. So equal to n is how much? 21 divided by, so this summation of f into 1 by x, how much comes here? This 2.5167. Then answer is 8.34. So this was the answer for your question number 38. How to find the harmonic mean? This was the method, right? So now I will go with your both the methods in one question, that is calculation of harmonic mean and geometric mean in ungrouped data or discrete series. I will show you that problem now. So that is question number 39. Okay, the question number 39 is like this: calculate the geometric mean and harmonic mean for the following information. The question is x equal to 29, 30, 44, 81, last one is 231. F, that is frequency 56792. Now I taken the solution, x the same number from here to here, it was same here, and frequencies are same taken here now. Now we need to find what actually first geometric mean. What is the formula geometric mean? NT log into summation of f log x. So first we have to find the log x, right? How to find the log x? Number of places. See 1, 2, 3, 4 up to here. Here to here number of places 2. 29 means 2 place number. 2 place minus number minus 1. 1. Then you need to check the 29. 29 the log. See the 29th log number is which one? Log 29 is this one. 29, this area is 0 area. If I say that, just I will show you. Okay, it may be neat to you. See the 29 the 0, the 29 means next number is not there, means 0, that by default. 29 0 I have to check 4624. So 4624, 1.4624. Then 30 means what? 30 means 2 place minus 1. 2 place minus 1, 1. 30. 30 means 30 0 you have to find. How much 30 0? 30 and 0. 30 0 is how much? 4771. 4771. 44. 44 means 2 place. 2 place minus 1 is 1.1. So then you have to find 44 0. 44 0. See 44 0 is how much? So 44, this first line is 0 number row. 6435. 6435. Then 81. 81 means 2 place minus 1, 1. Then check the 81 0. So 81 0, you have to find 81 0. So 81 0 is this one. 90, see 9085. 9085. Then 231. Now you see that 231 means 3 place. 2, 3, 1. 3 place are there. 3 place minus 1 is 2. 2. Then you find the 23 1. 231 means what? 231. 231 means 23 here. Now not 0, because next number is 1 is the 23. Then you have to find 1. So 23 1 is 3636. 3636. Now this was over. Then what you have to find now? F into log x. F is here, log x is here. So into 5, this number 5, and into this number 1624. Sorry, not 16. 1.4624. So what I did now, this number into this number, these two multiply, you will get this number now. So same type, this number into this number, so you will get this number. Then find the multiply same, these two number you have to multiply, you will get this one. Make sure that the only 4 places now. Okay, 4 places comes now. So total of this one we need for the purpose of which one? We need this one for the purpose of a geometric mean purpose. Now move to the 1 by x now. 5 we need 1 by x, this purpose. 1 by x is the purpose of harmonic mean purpose, right? 1 by x. So 1 divided by x is how much here? X number, see 29. X how much now? 29 is the x. This number. Like same equal to 1 divided by how much x is here? 30. Again 1 divided by how much x is here? 44. 1 divided by 44. Again same. 1 divided by how much here? X? 81 by 81. 1 divided by how much here? 231. 231. So no need of 4 places, that means more than 5. Make it only 4 places, that I did now. Now what you have to do? F into, see f into 1 by x. So f is 5 here into, what is 1 by x? This one 0.0345. So it comes like this. Next also same, f is here into 1 by x is here. So multiply these two, what you will get? This number up to here. So these two multiply. Which one? F into 1 by x. So same number comes now. Now you take the total. This was the total. These two are the total of which one? For the computation of harmonic mean and geometric mean. So I think it is clear. Now we will move to the answer now. Equal to NT log equal to summation of f log x. How much summation of f log x here is? 49.5828 divided by, what is n? N means total, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2. So I will add here now. The sum of this number 29 is there. How much number? 29. See, the formula is nt log summation of f log x is 9.5828 divided by n is 29. Clear? So this was the value. Then you simplify the next step equal to nt log. So simplify now. 49.5828 divided by 29. So answer comes this number. It comes like this. For this, what you have to do? You have to find the nt log. You find the nt log of this number. So nt log of this number you have to find now. So the place is going to take to always 4 only, not more than 4. Now what you have to find nt log? Nt log you have to find this number. See, I will show it now separately. So 1.7098. Now only this place you have to find the nt log, because nt log is possible to check from the fraction, not the 1, right? So fraction number you have to find. Check the nt log now. Nt log is here. Okay, nt log. What is the number of that one? 7098. So nt log of 7098 you have to find. 0.7098. Right? 70 is here and 9 is here. 709 is how much? 5117. 7, see, 70, here is 9 and 8 value is how much here? 9. So 5117 plus 9, that is 5117 plus 9 means how much? I will show it in the answer. See, like this, 5 equal to 5117 plus 9. So it was 51. How it comes? 79. That is the plus 8. The number is 9. So this was the answer. Now what was the value now? The value is 1. I said that whatever the value comes, right? Whatever the value comes plus 1. The value is here how much? 1. In this case, value is how much? 1. Then for that, what you have to do? This was the first number 1 here now. This one is default. Always you have to add 1. So answer is how much now? 2. So what you have to do now? Whatever the nt log value comes, so this 5126. For this after 2 place, because 2 comes here now. Here it is 2. This 2 indicates after 2 place you put the point. After 2 place means 5126. That is 5.51.26. Why I did the 5126 here only? See, 1, 2 place, after 2 place you put the point. That is 51.26 is the answer of which one? Geometric mean. Geometric mean answer is 51.26. Then move to the harmonic mean now. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean formula, if you see that, harmonic mean is like this. So n is how much here? 29 divided by, what is f log f1 by x? F1 by x is here 0.6514. So this was the answer for your values, right? So 29 n divided by 65.6514. Harmonic mean is this one. I think I will show one step now for your writing purpose. So this was the answer for you, right? 29 divided by 0.6514. This was the answer. I hope that this question number 39, geometric mean, harmonic mean is clear to each one of you. If you have any doubts, so you feel free to ask me, right? So this was question number which one? 39. Now I will assign you 2 questions based on the same, that is harmonic mean and geometric mean on group data. That is question number 40, right? Which one? Question number 40. Okay, the assigned question is question number 40 and question number 41. So question number 40 is not a problem for you. Question number 41, when you are finding this log x, which one? When you are finding this log x, right? You see here 5. 5 means one place minus 1 means 0. Remember, when you are finding the log x for this number, remember for this number, if I say that the x is here, f is here, just I will give an example. 5 is there, then frequency is 3. What is this 5 frequency? 5 frequency limit, this x 5 is there. 5 means what? 5 means 1 place minus 1, 0, 0 point. How to find this 5 log? I will show you. Now 5 means 5 number is not there here, if you see here. So 5 is not, because always log table starts from the 10 only, but we need to use the 5. 5 means, remember, if 5 means you need to add 0. 0 means what? 5, in front of that 5 you have to hit 0, ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 50 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 50 ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 5 ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, 50 ಆಯ್ತದು. 50 ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ, 50 ಮುಂದೆ 0 ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾದಾಗ 50 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 50 0 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರು 6990 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 5 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, 5 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 0, ದೆನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, 5 ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಿ, 50 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಿ, 50 0 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 15, ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 15 0 ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಇದು 3ದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳಿ? 3ದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ ನಂಬರು? 50ದು 0.669690 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಹೇಳಿ. 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 0. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇವಾಗ 30 0 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 30 1 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಮುಂದೆ 1 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 30 0 ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4771. ಸೊ 477 0.4771. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪು 8ದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ I assigned you for this in this presentation 40 and 41, harmonic mean, geometric mean. This was which kind of question? Ungrouped data. In the next class that I will show you how to find the geometric mean and harmonic for continuous series. Which series? Continuous series. Thereby, if I cover those two, then your this measures of central tendency chapter is over. Thank you.